welcome to It's Friday, and we're here with you, Facebook Live with Pro World, and I'm Danielle.
I'm Jessie.
And I'm Bianca.
And we are going to show you how to do tote bags and also seashell bags. I found the seashell bags online, and I thought they were so cute. And they come like with, of course, like a little vinyl top, a canvasy top to them, and then the rest is like all like see-through. So it's perfect for seashells or other items. I'm sure you could think of other items to put in there. But we're going to show you how to press something like this and the tote bag. There's so many seams, and they're thick and they're big and bulky. So, you know, no matter what type of vinyl you're printing on, we're going to show you how to do that. And of course, with the help of our wonderful little pressing pillows. So we're going to show you all that. You don't have a phone.
I got it. I can do comments.
It was in my pocket. I got off the phone late.
I'm not ready. We don't have a little phone up here to help us out.
I got comments. Everybody's saying hello,
Perfect.
checking in. We're good.
Okay. Hi everybody that's
Hi.
checking in. Thanks for coming. And this one, I just absolutely love the way this bag came out. That we use Siser Easy Weed, Stretch, and Electric, and regular, because that's the regular Vegas Gold. So all different kinds of Siser on that bag, and it came out amazing. And then we have the seashell bag was with the Siser Glitter. So you can see it doesn't matter what kind of vinyl you're printing. You just need to know the method and how to do it. So that's why we're here today. All right, so the first one that I'm going to do is we have like two little seashell bags, and you can't feel them, unfortunately, because that won't work.
It'd be very crowded in here.
But these are ridiculously thick seams. Like, it's... Bianca, come on in, and you can, like, it's like a double layer of this wrapped around this, which is, I mean, that you can't even bend it. Like, that's a ridiculous amount of seam. But we're going to go ahead and just use our pressing pillow. We have our mini today, our TransPro mini. So if you're not familiar with our TransPro mini, it's our 9x12. It's our little itty bitty, but it can do anything the big one can do, just within its size restraint. So that's all. It's a nice swing away. It has good pressure adjustment.
And it's great for projects like this.
Mm-hmm. Yes, when things are mini. All right, so we're gonna do it on this side, I think. All right, so the first things first, you wanna go ahead and, we already weeded our vinyl, so we got that ready. And for our tote bag, we're gonna weed one of them for you, so you can kind of see how that goes. And you're just gonna place your vinyl where you want it. I think that's good. I'm gonna use my little pillow. This one's just, Bianca, if you can zoom in here so we can kind of just see. See how my pillow is just too small for my design. Like I'm not gonna get my edges if I use this pillow. So we're just gonna use this big one, or actually, haha, I can angle it. So put your pillow on this wonderful little angle, and now I'm squishy, and I've covered all my vinyl areas. And if not, we'll know it and we'll fix it. All right, I think I'm good now. We're at 300 and, oh, this one should be 320, but we're pretty hot. So we're 320, 10 seconds. Press. I don't have a vinyl sheet covering a nonstick sheet.
And there was a little bit of a lot of pressure there too.
But that's all right. We'll go ahead and press this, see how it works. And then we'll make modifications if needed.
This is the glitter that you're doing?
This is glitter. I had it all set for Easy Weed. But we're good. And it's on there. And perfect. So cute.
That way when you're picking shells, you don't get anybody's confused.
Yes. Mm-hmm. And it didn't have any problem with these huge seams because of the pillow. If I were to do this without the pillow, what'll happen is these seams are gonna hit the press first before this does because it's higher. And when that hits, the vinyl won't get touched and there won't be enough pressure. So it won't adhere to the material at all. And then you'll peel it off and the vinyl will still be on your adhesive carrier. So you need that pillow to push it up so that way everything's level and even and then when you go and press it down, it'll find your vinyl for you. So we'll go ahead and do another one. We're going to do it with the Easy Weed, just so you can see that it doesn't matter what kind of vinyl you're working with. Either one will work just fine for you. Let me just flatten that out.
Margaret said it was super cute, that one.
I love these little bags.
They are really awesome.
And you can find them right online.
I was
Not
surprised,
on our site, but
I was surprised at how long the strap was. From the picture, it looked much smaller.
Yes.
So I was very appreciative of the longer strap. I feel like it was definitely for like a little kid, so that way they don't have to like hold that. They can spend more time looking for shells.
right.
Nice.
And it is really, really cute. And there are a bunch of different designs and styles, but this one I found had the right colors. I feel like that's important. If you're gonna do a seashell bag, it's important that it has the right color top. All right, and this time I will cover with non-stick sheet and follow the rules of vinyl. And we'll go ahead and close and lock.
Jamie, we got the shell bag just from an online retailer. There are tons of different ones out there. You could just did a Google search, I think, right?
Yeah, if you literally Google seashell bags, they'll all pop up for you. And there are already people, printing on them already, like, companies that sell already printed ones. But why go with them when you can do it yourself? Super cute.
I love it.
Okay, so now we have our seashell bags done. Let's go ahead and get to what, adults carry around on the beach, which is your tote bag.
I don't know. I'm kind of excited about that little seashell bag.
I have to admit, I'm pretty excited about the seashell bag. That's one of the fun aspects of going to the beach is finding your seashells.
But I guess for real adults, we'll do the...
For legit adults out there that feel the tote bag is more their speed, we'll do this one. And this, again, you've got a pocket on top of the tote bag with your seams, really thick. Jessie is weeding. Dun, dun, dun. She's weeding the Siser Easy Weed Stretch, and she already did it, but if you kind of rewind it and go back, you'll see it actually does stretch as you pull it off.
I have this piece to pull off if you want to.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
See, I have this.
Kind of see, like, it physically stretches and pulls as it goes. And I didn't need to use Siser Stretch. It is ideal, the Siser Easy Weed Stretch, to use on your stretchy fabrics, your performance wear, things that move, things that kind of, really need some flexibility to them. It's also a matte finish, which is different from the Easy Weed. But you know what? One really great thing about the stretch is that even though you can use it on your performance wear and your stretchy fabrics, you don't need to. It will be perfectly fine on any other material, your cotton poly blends, your bags. So it's not mandatory to have it on a stretchy fabric. So it'll work just fine. And for the fact that I had navy in the studio, that is exactly why we're using it today. So of no particular reason, but that.
Other than easily accessible.
Yes. And Bianca, could you go grab the, I don't know if I have one in here, the Easy Weed or the Siser color chart?
Yeah.
She's just gonna go grab that for us so you can see.
Carol did ask a question where we got the pillows, if you want to talk about those real quick.
The pillows?
Yes.
Our soft fusion pressing pillows. We sell them in a pack of 4. Yeah, I don't know what that little, there's like a little blue dot on that one. The pressing pillows, we sell them in packs of 4. They come your itty bitty, so your pocket one, your, I think this is like 8x8. Oh, 10. So this is your 10. We also have one that's like the full platen size and then a sleeve design, or a sleeve size. And they really do help, especially when doing vinyl. Because like vinyl, you want to put it on, different things other than just t-shirts. You have a certain fabric and you're like, ooh, vinyl on this would be amazing. That's where the pillows come in, because it pushes that up, everything's nice and even, and you won't have any problem pressing any of the products. So you'll be just fine. I think you did onesies with it.
Onesies, yeah.
Perfect. So definitely look into these pillows. Like I said, we sell them in the pack of 4, so they're perfect under the accessories tab. Okay, now I just wanted to kind of point out, Siser offers a color chart, a color guide. Right, we have it for sale on our website. It has all their vinyl in it with every color. So if you don't know what color you want, this is what you need.
Because pictures on the website can be kind of difficult. You know,
Yes.
you're trying to match a certain jersey or whatever. It's very beneficial.
And you know what? Especially with this bag, I wanted to see if I could find a blue that matched this teal. And in the Easy Weed, there wasn't really an exact match. So you had to go with a complementary color rather than something that's going to match exactly. Now we could have gone with this wonderful, the aqua would have been really nice with it. But I went with a different route for this one. So we're just going to do an aloha with a little glitter flower. But that's where these come in handy. If you need to match a certain color for a team, a school, an event, this is what you want. This is what you need. It's going to be 10,000 times easier to look on this color chart than to look through our website and try and guess and pick which one may or may not be a good match. We try super hard to get them to match on the website, but everybody's screen is different, so they might show it a little bit differently. The colors might be slightly off. So that's why you really want to get this handy kind of guide just so you know for sure exactly what the vinyl will look and feel like, because it's actually vinyl on here, not just a print.
And it's very inexpensive. I think, $6 to $7? It's under $10, I know.
I think it's like $6.
So just add it on to your next order. I feel like it's a must-have, especially if you're doing a bunch.
Yes. Scissors for me. There you go. Thank you.
Just put the little dot off of.
Oh, I don't think it. Oh, did you stab this one? Maybe.
Go with that one.
Go with that one.
Oh
No.
yeah, look at that.
Oh. It's all right.
We had two. It's fine.
And that's why we have two. We're not perfect around here. Okay. All right. So this is going to have the same problem as the bag, where I'm off my pillow. So here's my pillow, and then it drips off. So I'm going to lose it on this, and stretch really does need a lot of pressure. That's the most important thing about Siser Stretch, is that you need max pressure for that one so it really does stick. So let's go with this one. We're just going to slide it under because we can.
You're still getting that even pressure.
I'm totally even. And what's going to happen is when this pushes down, these are going to go in. Everything's going to be even. So we're totally flat, and it's going to work great. Okay, that looks possibly in an even spot. Maybe, maybe not. We're going to go with it.
Scott says he loves using the pillows for anything with a seam.
Yes.
Have to agree there. For case in point.
Yes. Okay. Oh.
I was about to grab it if you didn't.
Jesse's right
Put
there
it on
with it.
our
She's like,
floor.
here we go. I'm going to wait till she forgets about it, and then I'm going to give it to her. Okay. So we're going to go ahead. We're again at 312. I didn't adjust my pressure.
Okay.
Try that again.
Jamie said pillows are well worth the money. They use ours all the time, and I have never had vinyl come up.
Yes.
That's great.
True.
And it really does. You're gonna see when this one's done, but maybe it might be easier to show on that one.
Okay.
When you see the actual textures of the fabric come through the vinyl, you're good to go. That's gonna let you know that you're perfect.
And how easy.
And this one kind of does. So
You make
come
them
on
over?
in. So if you can just see how those textures
A little bit. It's
come
kinda
through.
hard.
Maybe if we lean up,
Yeah, you see a little bit.
it might be easier on the lighter one.
Yeah, let me see.
Try that one.
Excuse my zoom in features, everyone.
Everybody's like shaking around
know,
with Bianca
sorry.
there.
There you go. Much
The
better.
lighter one shows it?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right. And let's get our little flower in here.
Michelle asked, why did you use the cover sheet?
It's recommended. It keeps your... Because these are all on adhesive carrier, and you don't want any of that adhesive to come up onto your pressing platen. So the non-stick sheet is just recommended. And then I feel like it also helps keep your vinyl down in place. Like in case it curls up, you just put it down, it kind of weights it down, and then you're good. All right, so this one, glitter, this one I'm doing glitter, so I just gotta bump it up just a little bit. The mini's pretty quick about heating up, so we're probably fine. Oh yeah, I'm already at 319. Okay, so we'll go for it. pushed it too many times. Okay. All right. Close and lock. And we're going to be fine for about 12 seconds. And then we'll peel it up. And then you have all your bags that you need to go to the beach. If we could just take a half day and just be out,
right?
that'd be awesome.
Yes.
Yeah, that'd be fantastic. And we have to put them
Maybe
to
next
use.
time.
Yeah.
So
Love that.
pretty. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it looks so
That's
perfect. And
so
those colors
cool.
look amazing.
Glittery effect.
And those. Very nice.
Very nice.
All right. Well, that kind of solves it for today. Do we have any other questions?
Yeah, is it 10 minutes heat pressing for all types of vinyl? I guess 10 seconds, because you definitely don't need 10 minutes.
No, we don't need 10 minutes. Most vinyl is anywhere from like 10 to 15 to 20 seconds, but it does have all of our application instructions right on our website. So just kind of use that as a guide. Scroll all the way down for the vinyl that you have, and then it'll show you your settings. But for the majority of them, lock it in for 10, 12 seconds, and you should be fine.
And that is all that we have.
All right. Well, thanks everybody for watching, and we will see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.